Hello everyone, Namaskar and welcome to our channel Educational Way. Today we are going to discuss about forest resources of Nepal. Today we are going to introduce about forest statistics of Nepal, types of forest in Nepal, legal classification on forest, history of forest management in Nepal and contribution of forest. Let's start from introduction. Nepal. Nepal is a mountainous country located in South Asia. Within a short north-south span, Nepal's elevation differs from 60 meter to 8,848.86 meter above sea level, contributing to unique topographical condition. Nepal possesses 3.1% of the world's known flora and 1.1% of world's known fauna. A total of 284 flowering plants, 1 species of bird, 160 species of animals, and 14 species of herpetofauna are endemic to Nepal. Moving to forest statistics of Nepal, forest is major natural resources of Nepal. Green forest, wealth of nation. Hariyo Van, Nepalko dhan. Forest and other wooded land together represent 44.74% of the total area. Forest 5.96 million hectare, other wooded land 0.65 million hectare and 4.93 million hectare lies outside the protected area and 1.03 million hectare inside the protected areas. Total number of streams estimated in the forest of Nepal is 2,563.27 million. Total carbon stock in Nepal's forest is 1,159.65 million tons. The estimated total steam volume is 982.33 million meter cube. And the highest occurrence of forest disturbances is in Chodia. Now let's talk about types of forest and species composition. Broadly, it can be classified into following 6 types according to climatic condition. First one, tropical forest, upper boundary at about 1000 meter. Tropical forests include Soria robusta forest, Acacia catechu, Dalbergia sisal forest, other riparian forest, grassland, Terminalia Enogenesis deciduous hill forest. Second one is subtropical forest. Subtropical forest lies approximately 1000 to 2000 meter in west, 1000 to 1700 meter in east. Subtropical forest include Pinus rusbergi forest, Sima castolepsis forest, Alnus nepalensis forest and river forest with tuna and Albizia species. Third one is lower temperate forest. It lies 2000 to 2700 meter in west, 1700 to 2400 meter in east. Lower temperate forest include forest of Quercus leucotrichophora and Quercus lanata, Quercus floribunda forest, Quercus lamillosa forest, lower temperate mixed broadleaf forest with abundant lauraceae. Pinus wallichiana forest, lower type. Fourth one is upper temperate forest. It lies 2700 to 3100 meter in west and center, 2400 to 2800 meter in east. This forest include Quercus semicarpifolia forest, upper temperate mixed broadleaf forest, rhododendron forest and upper temperate coniferous forest. Fifth one is subalpine forest. It lies 3400 to 4200 meter in west and around 3000 meter in east. This forest include Abies spectabilis forest, Betula utilis forest, rhododendron forest, Juniperus indica stipe and Caragana stipe. Sixth one is alpine zone. It lies between the tree line and the region of perpetual snow. It has no tree but Serbi rhododendron, and junipers and some other Serbi species are found. Moving to legal classification of forest, according to Forest Act 2019, forest is classified into two different types, national forest and private forest. Under national forest, following 6 types of forest are included. First one is government managed forest, community forest, forest conservation area, collaborative forest, religious forest, and leasehold forest. Now let's talk about history of forest management in Nepal. Before 1957 AD, population was small and resources were abundant. In hills and mountains, talukdar, that is, village headmen appointed by Ranas, had responsibility of regulating forest use. Many forest land in Tarai were given to Birtas, to the member of Rana family. In 1950, Ranas were overthrown and democracy was established. During the period from 1957 to 1976 AD, Private Forest Nationalization Act 1957 was formed. Ministry of Forest was established in 1959. Forest Act 1961 was promulgated. 1967 Forest Protection Special Act was formulated. Similarly, during the period of 1976 to 1988 AD, in 1974, Forest Conference was conducted in Kathmandu. National Forestry Plan was drafted in 1976. Forest Act 1961 was amended in 1977 and Decentralization Act 1982 was introduced. From 1988 onwards, the 25 years Master's Plan for the forestry sector was prepared during 1986 to 88 and approved by government in 1989. Forest Act 1993 and Forest Regulation 1995 were promulgated, and recently Forest Act 2019 and Forest Regulation 2022 were introduced. Now, moving to importance of forest resources in Nepal, the proverb "Green forest is the wealth of Nepal" shows the importance of forest resources in Nepal. Forest is main source of energy, that is firewood, source of timber and non-timber forest products, source of fodder, helps in biodiversity conservation, hydrological functions, raw material for industry, development of the tourism, and source of foreign currency. Thank you for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Educational Way.